I tell you guys, epic is the only word I can use to describe this storm. This is historic. This is top 5, if not top 3. The NAM model won the day. I'm showing it again. Snow is going to continue, only intensify anywhere in this yellow zone. Forget about it. 2 to 3 feet is a lock right now. New York City, North Jersey, parts of Central, BC, Baltimore's already buried. Check it out, guys. This is 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock. 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and then finally 12 o'clock, it's over. Unbelievable. I showed you the images from Mount Holly. They just updated the snow totals, 2 to 3 feet. We got this heavy banding just pouring in off the ocean. A very impressive water vapor imagery. Unbelievable, guys. Next update, 2 p.m.